Got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switch up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love.
Good morning, everybody. Hello. I feel like it's been so long since I actually vlogged. I am just doing some work this morning and having my morning coffee. Today, I kind of wanted to do something for myself. I just saw this post earlier this week about how we are all aware of our love languages and our significant others' love languages, but we never really practice our own love languages on ourselves. So I feel like it is really important to do so and to just kind of show yourself the love that you are hoping somebody else would. I kind of just want to start this vlog on that positive note. So for me, my first love language is quality time. That is definitely what I value the most in my partner, just spending quality time together. But I think it's so important to also spend quality time for yourself, whether that is to like take yourself on a little date or just doing some self-care. So I do want to do that today and just practice some self-care. I feel like I haven't been fully taking care of like my skin, my hair, and just giving myself that self-care that I really need and spending that quality time with myself. So I'm actually just going to hop in the shower, do like a full-on shower routine, just like take my time in there, light a candle, put on some music, and truly practice some self-care.
I wanna let you know, even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, I still love you like crazy. I wanna let you know, even when it gets hard and we wanna let go. Never been the type for giving up. Complicated situations only make it worse, cause just getting started is not enough. I'll be around when you need me, promise there won't be no leaving on my worst days.
Alright, I just finished with my little self-care and I just put on a little bit of makeup as well, but I brought out these products because I really want to share it with you guys. Okay, I just feel like the lighting is a lot better here. I just did like a whole self-care thing and it just felt so amazing to just really pamper myself and spend like that quality time with myself, you know. And you guys probably saw that I use these products and I am so excited to be sharing this with you because this portion of the video is actually sponsored by Pantene. So exciting and amazing because I have been using Pantene since I was a little girl. That's also what my mom used and what she always bought, and it really just comes full circle because it truly just reminds me of my mom and like her beauty routine. If you guys watched my other vlogs and seen my mom, you'd know she is such a fashionista. She always has like the classiest outfits. Her skincare routine is on point. Her hair is always on point. So I've definitely been very inspired by her beauty routine, and definitely hair is such a big part of my beauty routine now. I just love like playing around with different hairstyles, and my mom was actually the one that bought me my first curler. Like I said, since I was a little girl, we've always used Pantene. I remember my mom would just always tell me to only shampoo like mostly your roots and do the conditioner for the bottom half of your hair, and I still do that up to today. And I'm just so excited to show you guys these products because I really love just like taking care of my hair and making sure that it is healthy. This is actually from their Nutrient Blend line, and personally I really love this line, which is the Miracle Moisture Boost line, and it has rose water. This smells so good. I love the smell of roses and like that floral scent in my hair. So the shampoo is actually sulfate and parabens free, which is so important for that healthy hair, and especially since I color my hair, it leaves my hair feeling so hydrated and not stripped at all. This is the conditioner, which is also in the rose water scent, and I love a a good conditioner. It kind of just like tames all the frizz and it leaves it feeling really smooth. Once every 2 weeks, I love just giving my hair that like extra hydration. So instead of the conditioner, when my hair is feeling like extra dry and it needs that extra boost of hydration, I love using this. And this is just like an extra treatment to make your hair even more smooth and hydrated. I love like a good hair wash day because I don't wash my hair every single day. So when I do shampoo and conditioner my hair with this, I just feel like a brand new person. My hair is so clean and it feels so smooth. So I will have the link to all these products down below the description box, so definitely check them out if you're looking for like a new shampoo or conditioner and you want that silky smooth good smelling hair. It is a little bit later now and I just got ready, and on the topic of spending quality time with myself, I'm actually just going to bike to Washington Square Park right now and maybe get some lunch on the way and just kind of relax there. And I brought my computer because I do have to edit a video that is going up later this week, so I'm just going to do like a little picnic there by myself and just edit, take myself out for a little work date, I guess. A little tote bag over here with my laptop and my blanket. Got my sunscreen, can't forget the face mask, and yeah, I will see you guys there. By Washington Square Park now. This is like an area that I used to always shoot in. It's called Washington Mules and it's literally right by the park and it's super cute. I did get some requests for me to do like a video on spots in New York that I hang out in or like restaurants that I go to, so let me know if you guys want something like that. I think that would be really fun. But this is definitely one of the areas that I love to shoot in and just walk around in. It is like such a nice little area. Look how cute that little pink door is. Yeah, love this part. Definitely check it out if you come to New York or if you are in the city and you want to shoot in some secluded areas. Like this whole part is gated, so there's no cars.
What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moonlight that never shows. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time.
I'm about to head to Soho to meet my friend Isabella. We're going to shoot some content. I really want to shoot this outfit that I am wearing right now, and afterwards I have a lash appointment, so it's just kind of like a on-the-go kind of day. I just did all my work in the morning, but let me quickly show you guys my outfit. It is such a beautiful day outside and I really couldn't decide what to wear, so I just went with something pretty simple. Okay, so I'm just wearing this one shoulder black top. This is from ASOS, and I'm wearing these white cargo pants. Sorry, it is actually a mess because I was just unboxing some stuff, but I really love these cargo pants. I think they're super cute, and these are from Yes Style, and I'm just wearing my Converse, and then I'm just going to bring like a little black bag. Finished shooting some pictures here with Isabel. The lighting is so good today, and Soho is so empty. I am taking the city bike and I'm gonna meet Samson for lunch. I've been just like biking everywhere and it is so convenient. So I'm gonna meet him right now. I am on my way out right now. I'm going to Central Park to do like a mini picnic with some of my girls. One of them actually just got engaged, so it is crazy because she's like the first one to get engaged in our friend group, and we are so happy for her. So we got her like a little cake and everything, and we're just gonna do a little social distance picnic just because like I feel like it's a little bit safer than eating out in the restaurant. So excited. I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and hopefully it doesn't get too hot out. I feel like it's like the perfect day to do a picnic because it's like not too sunny, not too hot. So we have so much food. So it's for this girl's engagement. So nice today because it's not too hot. I feel like it's the same.
No, it's not.
No, it's just a little
It's
like
a little
more.
more
It sounds
sweet.
like
We have some kimbap. I got kimchi kimbap, and then I got these yesterday. Literally just spilled all the strawberries on the blanket. At least it wasn't on my pants. I think that would have been worse.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Made this like dry hot pot thing because I was really craving it last week, and then I made it again a couple of days ago, and I got so many questions on the recipe, so I shared it on my Instagram stories. But I also did like a poll if you guys wanted to see me make it in my vlog, and a lot of you guys, I think like 90% of you guys said yes. So I am going to make a little bit for myself for lunch, and I will show you guys how I do it. If you guys saw the recipe, you know it is like actually so easy. And I'm first just going to boil everything first. So for vegetables, I'm just going to use a little bit of cabbage and also bok choy. I'm gonna wash this. And all you really need for ingredients besides these is just some vermicelli noodles and also some beef slices. This is just the ones that I usually put in like hot pot. Now I am just boiling some water and adding in the bok choy, the cabbage, the tofu, the vermicelli noodles, and a little bit of that hot pot beef slices. Just going to stir it a little bit to make sure everything is going to be cooked. And this is the final result, you guys. It is so quick and easy, and it tastes delicious. Usually I would pair it with some rice, and since it has the vermicelli noodles, that is like a little bit of carbs, but it also has the proteins, the meat, and the tofu and veggie, of course. Let's go eat this delicious meal. It's so good. This has been like my favorite thing to make recently, and obviously if you don't like it too spicy, you could just put less of like the spicy stuff. But usually dry hot pot is supposed to be eaten like spicy, and I found that this is definitely the easiest way to make it. And you can just throw whatever else you want in there. If you don't like tofu, or if you want like fish tofu, you can throw that in instead. After I shared this on my story, a lot of you guys are saying to make more like Chinese dishes, like easy Chinese dishes that you can make at home when you are missing like your parents' home cooked meal. So let me know if you guys would want that. I think that is such a great idea. I think it would be nice to include in the vlogs too. So yeah, let me know. Okay, I just got ready and I am about to go to this park by me to shoot some content. I am going to shoot this dress that I'm wearing. Hold on, let me show you. This super cute like baby doll dress. I am going to go to the park and shoot it. I've been trying to like shoot content by myself, which is sometimes a little bit hard. Honestly, sometimes it's just like so much easier to just shoot by yourself instead of having to ask like a friend or like Samson to help me. Okay, so I found this little area that not a lot of people are in. Got my tripod set up with my phone and I have my Bluetooth speaker. So sometimes it takes a little bit longer to find the angle and everything, but let's see how quickly I could do this. Oh my god. So it is so hot right now. I am sweating, but I'm getting some pretty good shots and it's still pretty empty even though there's like people walking around. So it's a little bit challenging, but honestly you guys, like after a while kind of just get used to it and learn to ignore them. I feel like it's like vlogging, you know, at first it's so intimidating vlogging outside because you just feel like everybody's looking at you, but after a while it's fine. And I'm glad that there's like nobody around so that I can take off my mask.